In this video, we're going to show you everything you can't miss in Fernando de Noronha, one of the most stunning and preserved destinations in Brazil. We'll take you through the top activities, the most beautiful beaches, how much each one costs, where to eat, where to stay, how to get around the island, and all the practical tips so you can plan the perfect trip. Let's go! Fernando de Noronha is an archipelago made up of 21 islands, but only the main one is inhabited. It's located about 350 kilometers off the coast of the state of Pernambuco and can only be reached by plane, with flights departing from Recife or Natal. The place is a true ecological paradise, with breathtaking landscapes, crystal-clear beaches, nature trails, and rich marine life. It's perfect for nature lovers, diving, hiking, and beach hopping. But keep in mind, because it's an environmental protection area, visitor access is controlled, and there are mandatory fees. As soon as you arrive, you'll need to pay two fees: the environmental preservation fee, which is around $20 per day, and the National Marine Park entrance fee, which is about $40 for foreigners. This gives you access to the island's most famous beaches, like Baía do Sancho and Baía dos Porcos. Prices can vary, so it's a good idea to check the official websites before your trip. The most famous beach is Baía do Sancho, which has been ranked the most beautiful beach in the world several times. The scenery is surreal: crystal clear water, cliffs, and colorful fish everywhere. You reach it by going down a staircase between rocks, which is a unique experience. Right next to it is Baía dos Porcos, which has a stunning viewpoint overlooking the iconic Morro dos Irmãos, another postcard view of Noronha. These two beaches are part of the national park, so you'll need that entrance ticket to access them. And if you're new here on the channel, welcome. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Another amazing spot is Praia do Leão, which is more wild and usually less crowded, perfect for relaxing in nature. It's also a sea turtle nesting site during some parts of the year. For something more central, the beaches of Cachorro, Maio, and Conceição are close to the village area, great for sunset, swimming, and walks. Among the paid tours, the most popular one is the Ilha Tour. It's a full-day experience in a 4x4 that takes you to the island's main highlights. It costs about $60 per person and is totally worth it, especially on your first day. Another must-do is the boat tour that departs from Porto de Santo Antonio and goes all the way to Morro dos Irmãos. You'll pass by several beaches, stop for a swim and snorkeling, and often see dolphins swimming alongside the boat. This tour costs around $50 per person. If you're into diving, Noronha is one of the best spots in Brazil. You can dive with scuba tanks for around $120, or just snorkel in beaches like Ataleia, Sueste, and Sancho. Praia do Ataleia has restricted access with set schedules and limited visitors, so you need to book in advance. A guided snorkeling tour there costs around $25. Don't worry, in the description of this video and in the QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link to the website we always use to buy tickets and tours at the lowest prices. It's the biggest tour site in the world and has basically everything: attraction tickets, tours, and excursions to nearby cities, all for the lowest prices, and you can pay in your local currency to avoid extra fees. They even have free tours that are amazing. And remember, in that link below, we organize everything you need to plan your whole trip for less: travel SIM card, travel insurance at half price, attraction tickets, great and affordable hotels we've stayed in, cheap car rental, and a global bank account to take money abroad with fewer fees. All links already include automatic discounts because we keep them updated all the time. So save and use that page. It'll make your trip a lot easier. Noronha has a great food scene, with fresh seafood and creative dishes. Meals are pricier than in most places in Brazil. A basic lunch costs between $15 and $25, and the top restaurants, like Sica da Silva, Cacimba Bistro, Varanda, Mergulhão, and Opico, serve beautiful and tasty dishes. But there are also simple snack bars and local grocery stores where you can save some money, especially if your accommodation has a kitchen. At night, the island has a chill and laid-back vibe. Great spots are Bar do Maio, which has live music and an incredible sunset view, and the famous Foro at Bar do Cachorro. You can also book exclusive dining experiences, like outdoor tasting menus at high-end restaurants. The best area to stay is the Vila dos Remédios, which is the little town center of the island. We created a personalized map that shows exactly where this best area is. In the description and QR code on screen, we'll leave the link to the page with this map, and also the hotels we've stayed in, including one that was great, very cheap, and super well located. If you're looking for more comfort, the island also has boutique guest houses and upscale resorts with sea views, pools, and excellent service. We'll also leave the links for the ones we've tested and recommend. And if you have more time, you can combine Fernando de Noronha with a trip along the coast of Pernambuco, visiting Recife, Porto de Galinhas, and Maragogi. These destinations go perfectly together. In the description, we'll leave the link to the site where we always book those tours. It's a great option. If you liked the video, like and subscribe to our channel so you can keep traveling more and better around the world. Thank you so much, and have a great trip.